Tutorial. Here are some pots. Here again there is soil and mud and plants. So here there is a entrance bridge, and if you go straight in the middle, plants, and exit bridge, and again plants. So let's enter the garden. So here we have all the flowering plants, and here I kept two bricks one upon one, and here I had old boxes. In that I made holes and I kept the plants. Here I had an old bottle, I kept the plants, and here I had a jar. I painted the jar and I kept, and like whole garden I have made with just recycling all my waste, just recycling everything. So here are all show plants, and here we have a small cute sunflowers. Here we have small flowers, white flowers, I don't know the name, and we have white and purple flowers, and then here all we have these flowers. So here, as I told you all, I had old pipes. We use these pipes mostly in construction, so you can buy it from any hardware shop, and then you paint it with your favorite design and with your favorite colors, and just you insert some mud and you just keep the plant. So like this I have total kept all around the garden. So totally I have kept 8 pipes and plants like this, and I kept all different plants in them, and not flowering plants nor vegetative plants, just show plants. You can also keep flower plants. So in the garden there is all grass, which makes it look like kind of a park. So here in the middle, in the total garden, in the middle, firstly I inserted kind of a bowl kind of pot. Inside that, here I pour water, and then on that bowl I kept another pot inside, and then here I kept this plant which protects the plant. It has all kind of these thorns kind of thing, and now in the middle this plant is there. So in all the sides I kept these small baby plants, and then in the middle of this plant, as you can see, there is another plant in the middle, right? So here I kept a small pot, like this pot, in the middle of the plant, and in that I kept creeping plants. So here to sit in the garden, to enjoy the fresh air or the fresh sunlight and all, to talk to each other, to your friends and all. Here are 3 benches. See, same 3 benches. So on every single bench I kept plants in the edges to make it look more beautiful. So here in a big pot I kept this show plant, and here in these kind of small pots I kept creeping plants, and then here also in a big pot I kept show plants, and again here creeping plants. You can see how nicely it's going till the down of the bench, and then between every bench there is a pipe, as I showed you before. And then this in the next bench, here we have a pot, again a show plant, and here again a creeper. And here we have small Coca-Cola bottles and all, right? I cut that bottle and I kept a plant. And here again we have a creeper plant and again a show plant. And here we have a creeper plant and another plant. But here whenever you go to colleges or offices, if we make any dal or anything else, we use like this big bottles to carry it, right? So I removed the cap of that bottle. I decorated it with some emojis, and I kept it there. And again here in this small cup kind of thing, I decorated this cup, and I kept a small baby plant, and here we have a big pot. So here in the back we have big plants. These all are papaya plants. And then here we have these small yellow color flower plants. Here there is a purple color show plant. Here again we have a papaya plant. Here we have a yellow color flower plant, and here we have a very unique kind of plant which has very fat stem and just thin small leaves. And here we have these pink color flower plants. There we have rose plant, and here again those yellow flowers, again those the same plant. And here in the between we have curry leaf plant. And here, as I told you, beside the bridge, here we have small plants, white flowering plants, purple flowering plants, show plants, and all. So again, let's come back to the place where we started, and that's it in the second episode. Stay tuned for the third episode. Watch the first episode and the second episode. I hope you like this, and subscribe to my channel, like, share, and thank you so much. Let's meet in the third episode. Bye bye.